Hello viewers, today I'm going to do a video about this clock which is from the 50s, and it's very interesting because it's got, as you can see there, instead of clock hands it's got a little optical illusion thing. If I go in there, it's got that. Also, if it's from the 50s it might have radium paint. You see the little red, I'll move that there, red bit there for saying the alarm. Now let's see the back of it. Also got the thing around there. This clock also works very well. So we have one for the actual clock mechanism, the one for the alarm, setting the clock mechanism, setting the alarm, and setting the time. Then in there you've got speed adjuster. Now I'll show you what the alarm's like. So 6:51. This is what the alarm sounds like. Nice loud alarm. Just what you need to get up in the mornings. And there's a very interesting colour combination on this clock, because it's got lots of blue in it. I haven't seen a clock from the 50s that has lots of blue on it. And done in this way as well. I thought it was more the 70s look, but it turns out it isn't. Yeah. It's quite a nice feature. It's an equity clock made in, I'm not sure where it's made. Yeah, this cost £10 from the Lamb Arcade in Wallingford, which is where I got my other 1950s alarm clock. And I've got lots of alarm clocks now, including my mountain. I've got about 15 or 16 of them. But I'll just use this one for display stuff. I mean, this really is good for the environment. A, I'm getting it second hand, so I don't have to make it new. It was made new in the 50s. Also works very well, it doesn't use electricity. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.